My people, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this fish pie with no flour, no flour needed. If you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share. So I have here with me two unripe plantain. I already washed it neatly. I'm just going to chop it into smaller sizes and then I'm going to put it in the pot. Cook it until it is very soft. So once I'm done cutting it, I'm just going to transfer it into my bowl and then put it in the pot. And then I'm going to be adding salt on it as well. Then I'll cover it to cook. So while the plantain is cooking, I'm going to be preparing the sauce. I'm making use of mackerel fish. I'm using what I have at home. You as well, use what you have at home. Then I added mixed veg and I added cabbage. I added salt on it. Then I'm going to stir it for 2 minutes. We don't want the vegetable to cook for long. So stir it for 2 minutes and then set it aside. At this point, the plantain is very soft. I'm just going to set it aside, peel off the plantain into my bowl, and then I'm going to mash it very smooth. Once I'm done mashing it, it's too dry. I'm going to go in with water, but if you have egg, you can add egg. For those of you that don't like egg, just add water like I did. Mash it again. We want it to be soft like this. Then I put it in my non-stickable paper foil and then roll it out just the way we do our flour when you are making your own meat pie or fish pie. And then next, I'm just going to go in with my sauce into it. Lastly, I'm going to be adding cheese on it. So the reason why I'm adding this cheese, if I don't know. So just skip it if you like. Then I'm going to cover it like this. Use my hand to mash it up nicely. Then I'm going to take off the paper. Then I'm use my knife to cut off the parts that I don't want, just to give it that meat pie shape. Lastly, I'll use my fork to give it a design. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do well to help me to share it, okay? So that it gets to more people. Lastly, I'm going to place it in my baking pan like this. And then I'm going to bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. So I set my oven 150 degree and I baked it for 20 minutes. Does this right here look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. Next, I'm just going to apply egg white on it using my brush, just the way you do your meat pie. And then that is it. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you are going to try? Honestly, this is a healthy option for diabetic people. Are you going to try this as well? Let me know in the comment section. It really came out nice, guys, and it tastes amazing. Try it, you are going to love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please help me to share. Bye.